was the acquisition manager. We got some good news. So I've finally been able to replace myself in my business, or whatever you want to call this 1099 gig role. I've been able to replace myself. I created a business around someone else's business to consistently be profitable, and it worked. This was one of the plays where, so my business, I connected to their business. They're a disposition company. I'm an acquisition company. We bring our business together. I consistently got leads coming in. They consistently got leads to dispo. So it makes it easier for both individuals. For me, I was able to replace myself. As you can see, I'm sending this to one of my one of my assistant managers. His job is to help me with talking to these agents, homeowners, talking to people. Again, we're producing a lot of leads, and my daily job, I might have to follow up with sometimes 10 leads, sometimes it's 7 leads, sometimes it's 5 leads. And in that follow-up process, we got leads coming in, so somebody need to be talking to them. We got people working the CRM. We got people doing a bunch of things. But again, you got to jump in where you can. And for me, I got things moving, and I got things in a good position where we're moving decently. So we got a assistant in place, and he'll be running the actual. So I put together a little quick guide, something that gave him enough of what we were trying to do and what we were trying to, basically pull off. Right here it explains the seller finance, the stack, it explains the DCR loan, all that. So it get into what we be doing, what you cannot answer. Again, he should know that. You don't know that the default response for complex questions, that's a Steven level question. I'll get the answer from Lamont, and either he or I will get back to you. So again, Steven is the buyer. So we want to keep the buyer right there. We got the buyer right there, which is Steven, the disposition company. His name will be going on the contract. So the reason why I say that, because as I like to say, my ass ain't on the line. When your ass ain't on the line, if something go wrong, Uncle Sam ain't gonna look at you first. He gonna look at the actual business owner that's on the contract. My name ain't on that contract. My name on the partnership. So it's a totally different contract. Now I am, part of it. But I say all that because for me, I play chess a lot. Uncle Sam like to look at people and spank their hand. And I just try to move correct, shout out to Uncle Sam. But yeah, my name ain't on here, and this would be a process we'll be able to partner on, and we might turn it into an equity play, something like that.